Hey guys, so I just got my new battery here. So it's a 12.8 volt, 100 amp hours battery here. And so it looks good. It's got the normal connections to it. And what's nice is it comes with the sheet itself, and it'll tell you everything. Oh, so there we go. We got these are for the top if you want to make sure the stuff stays on. But so we got all our different wattages and what the best performance is, etc. on this sheet. And so what I'm going to show you is I got two of them because I wanted to make sure I had enough. And so I actually installed them right here. So as you can see here, I installed that same battery down here on and this is in my RV here. So my van, but I was able to install this battery down here, and I got it so that, and I like it so much, I actually have a few of them here. If you could see, I have a second here. So these are perfect batteries to use for, I mean, it can do anything that you want. And the fact that, I mean, I used it for my RV. You could use it wherever you want. If you're doing a blind or you need somewhere that needs a good battery, this is a good option. And I mean, I have it down in here. It works great. It holds a good amount of battery for me. And I've just been using it. And what I've been doing is I just keep buying them whenever I want to add more power to my van. So you can keep connecting a bunch of them. Or, yeah, I mean, that's the best thing to do in my opinion. So I like these, and I think they work great, and I'll give it a thumbs up.